Okay, here's the directory on my 1581 disk. You can see here I've got two subdirectories called apps and games, and in my root directory I've got GOTOPART, and that's the one I'm going to run now. Okay, and it gives me an option to choose which drive. Right now I'm using drive 8. And it's showing me about partitions and asking me which one I want to go to. 1 is the root, which is where I was. I'll choose 2 to go to apps. And then I can bring up the directory. And you can see I'm now in the apps directory. And I can run it again. Go back to root. And that's how easy it is to switch between subdirectories on a 1581. I'll list the program, go to part, so you can see how to write one for yourself. Okay, here, this is just asking which drive you want to use. And then it asks you the partitions. I've only got 3 partitions. So I've got 3 choices. If A equals 1, go to 180, which will open up the root directory, which is just slash. If you want to go to apps, /0:, and the name of the directory. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.